Well, today is an important day. We're celebrating the opening of our new American Legion building. It's been a lifelong dream for more than a few of us. When we started out, we didn't have much to go on other than we thought we could do it. And as you see, it's all here, it's all paid for, and it will be here in perpetuity for our generations to come.
I come down here about 10 years ago and walked through the building that they had previously, and it was absolutely falling apart. It was rat infested. There was, the foundation was crumbling. I just thought that shouldn't be what as a community we allow to happen.
One of the chief architects of kicking us off the fence was Rick Coyle. He's a member of the Strata Board, and they have been our big partner right from the get-go, right till today.
The building really needed a lot of help, and it likely wouldn't be remodeled or replaced without somebody getting involved. We had individuals that were interested in the project, and then we had employees that were willing to take on the challenge and were willing to give their time both on the job and off the job.
The culmination of putting this together was countywide. People seen the need, seen the desire, and they invested in that, either money or their labor.
A lot of our vets in our community, they're always giving back, and they're always the ones behind the scenes, and they do that without nothing. They don't ask for anything in return.
I really loved the guys that I knew in the Legion. It was a privilege just to be with them because there's no guile in any of them.
Patriotism is a lifelong commitment. It's been written that those who serve in the service give their lives for the service of their country. Some of them pay in one big payment. Some of us pay the rest of our lives.